Welcome back to our podcast, English with Altaf, where we help you talk confidently about your daily life in English.
Today, we're diving into simple and natural ways to describe your daily routine clearly.
A daily routine usually starts with the moment you wake up, so sharing that helps listeners understand your day flow.
You can mention your wake up time or describe how you usually start the morning to make the routine sound real.
Many people like to talk about their morning habits because it shows how they prepare for the
You can say things like you stretch, drink water, or check messages if that matches your lifestyle.
A strong routine description often includes how you get ready, like brushing your teeth or making breakfast.
Adding small details like preparing tea or having a quick snack makes the language feel natural.
Commuting is another important part because everyone travels in some way during the day.
You can mention walking, driving, or taking a bus to make your routine easy to understand.
Work or study takes a big part of the day, so describing it helps create a full picture.
You may talk about tasks, breaks, or how your energy changes through the day.
Lunchtime is a great moment to include because it shows how you refresh yourself.
You can describe the food you like or the place where you usually eat.
After lunch, routines often focus on productivity or focus time, depending on your schedule.
Sharing what keeps you active after lunch makes your routine sound lively.
When the afternoon slows down, people usually shift to lighter tasks or wrap up work.
This is when you can talk about finishing projects or preparing for the evening.
Evenings are perfect to describe relaxation or hobbies.
You can mention reading, music, or a walk as part of winding down.
Many routines include exercise, and it's helpful to share when you prefer to work out.
Some people like morning workouts, while others love evening sessions to relax the mind.
Talking about dinner is simple because everyone eats, and it's easy to describe the foods you enjoy.
You can keep it natural by mentioning if you cook at home or order something light.
After dinner, people often move into slow activities that help end the day peacefully.
Watching shows or spending quiet time can be described to show how you relax before sleep.
Sleep time is important because it marks the end of the routine.
You can mention your bedtime or how you prepare to sleep comfortably.
To make your routine sound better in English, use time expressions like early in the morning or late in the afternoon.
These expressions guide listeners through your schedule in a smooth way.
Using simple present tense makes daily routines easy to explain.
It works because routines describe habits and repeated actions.
Adding small connectors like then, after that, or later makes everything sound connected.
These words help your routine move forward without sounding broken.
When you talk about morning activities, you can also mention your mood or energy level.
These emotional details make the conversation more engaging.
If your routine changes on weekends, that's also an interesting point to include.
Mentioning the difference helps show flexibility and variety.
Sharing how you stay motivated during the day can add extra value to your story.
People enjoy hearing practical tips and daily habits.
When speaking in English, using clear verbs like wake up, get dressed, or leave home keeps everything simple.
These verbs are common, so listeners understand them quickly.
Describing your travel time helps show how long your days feel.
You can also mention if you enjoy the commute or find it challenging.
If you do morning meditation or journaling, it's fun to include it.
These habits show mindfulness and add personality to your routine.
Many people like to explain their work environment to make the routine sound complete.
Whether it's busy, quiet, or creative, it helps the listener imagine your day.
Taking breaks is a normal part of the routine and easy to describe in simple English.
Sharing what you do during breaks adds color to the routine.
Afternoon routines can include check ins, goals, or tasks that help finish the day smoothly.
You can talk about how you stay productive or organized.
Some people have a tradition of tea or coffee in the afternoon.
Mentioning such habits makes the routine relatable.
If your job requires meetings, that is also something you can describe briefly.
You can talk about how long they last or how you prepare for them.
Ending your workday is an important moment in the routine.
You can talk about packing up or reviewing tasks.
After work, some people prefer quiet time at home to recharge.
Others might choose social activities to refresh the mind.
Evening hobbies add personality to your routine description.
You can talk about drawing, gaming, or cooking for fun.
A lot of people enjoy spending time with family in the evening.
Mentioning shared activities helps show a meaningful part of life.
If you practice a language daily, that can also be added to your routine.
Even 5 minutes can be important to mention.
Some routines include preparing things for the next morning.
This could be clothes, breakfast items, or a quick to-do list.
Describing rituals like skincare or reading helps complete the night routine.
These details show how you relax before sleep.
To sound natural, avoid trying to mention too many things at once.
Focus on the main parts of your day to keep it simple.
If your routine changes because of weather, you can mention that.
Such small changes make your daily routine sound real.
Talking about your energy levels during different times of day adds depth.
You can say you feel fresh in the morning or slow after lunch.
It's helpful to share one or two challenges you face during the day.
People connect with honesty and real experiences.
Explaining how you manage your tasks shows how you stay organized.
You can mention planning apps or handwritten lists.
Using specific times is optional but helpful for clarity.
It can guide listeners through your schedule step by step.
If your routine involves children, pets, or family care, you can include that part.
These responsibilities make a routine sound full and real.
People love hearing about morning motivation strategies.
Even simple actions like opening windows can improve the routine.
A daily routine can also include self-care moments like stretching.
These moments show balance and healthy habits.
Some listeners enjoy hearing about quick household chores.
You can mention cleaning, laundry, or simple tasks.
If you interact with neighbors, that can be a charming detail.
A small greeting or chat can shape your morning energy.
Talking about transportation habits also teaches useful vocabulary.
Words like ride, walk, or commute are easy to learn.
When describing meals, keep it simple but clear.
Say things like light breakfast or warm dinner.
Many routines include hydration habits.
You can say you drink water throughout the day to stay active.
Work-life balance is an interesting detail to add.
You can mention how you disconnect after work.
Leisure activities help listeners understand your personality.
You might enjoy gardening, watching movies, or simple quiet time.